Hey guys, my name is Zahra and welcome to my art studio. In today's video, I'm trying gouache for the very first time. My goal is simply to get a feel for this medium and have fun with it, and hopefully avoid any muddy colors. I've already started with a very loose sketch for my reference, just to have something to guide me before adding any more paint. After that, I put down a light wash of color just to cover all the whites on the page and create a base layer. At this stage, the colors aren't very accurate, but that's totally fine. They are just basic tones, and I don't like working on a blank canvas anyway. Once the base layer is down, I start building up the colors. I try to make each layer a bit more accurate and a little more pigmented as I go. Bit by bit, I refine the tones and slowly build up the painting. Next, I focus on matching the colors and keep values in mind. I pay attention to what I'm actually seeing in the reference, especially in the tree trunks, and instead of over mixing on the palette, I try to blend them directly on the canvas. Gouache is definitely a trust the process kind of medium. The painting slowly comes together layer by layer. In the grass area, my colors got a bit muddy because I was honestly pretty tired. This painting took up most of my day and I rushed a bit without letting the previous layer dry fully, which is why things got muddy in that section. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and join me on this art journey. I love exploring new styles and sharing everything I learn along the way. Thank you for painting with me and I see you next time. Bye.